Hello guys, today I want to unbox this black camera from Hikvision brand. Okay, this model is 4 megapixel bullet, can install indoor or outdoor. This model is 2CD3041G2E-I. This model is bullet 4 megapixel with fixed length 4mm and with IR. Just outside. Okay, this is belong to Ultra series from Hikvision. Take a look inside. Okay, drill template, use manual. Okay, this is our cameras. Okay, this is a fixed length. This is a built-in microphone. Okay. This is the mini bullet. This is plastics. The brackets are some plastics. You can adjust easily with this kind of bracket, or is just turn around. Okay. The IR leg, fixed leg. This one had no micro SD card. Okay, can mount like this is the ceiling mounting. This is the wall mounting. Okay, so that's all. It's very simple. Okay, if you like this video, please like and share. Also subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you.